Sairam children, how are you? I hope you all are fit and fine. Yes?
Yes, ma'am, we are fine. Saira, ma'am.
Yes, great to hear that children. And are you ready for today's math class?
Yes, ma'am, ready.
Okay, so we shall begin our class with three Omkarams. Please join your hands and sit straight. Om. Sairam children. So as
Saira.
yes, as we have finished chapter 5, numbers from 10 to 20, right? So today we are going to start a new lesson, that is time, chapter 6. So let me present my screen first. Yes, can you see the screen, children?
Yes, ma'am, I can see the screen.
Okay. So lesson chapter 6, time. Okay. So first we need to understand about time, what time exactly is. Time क्या होता है? You must have heard or seen your parents are talking about do your work fast. We don't have much time. In the school, also, teachers are also saying complete your work fast, otherwise, time will up, right? And bell will ring. So, time, something which denotes, represents some period of fraction of part of our day. So it is basically divided into four parts, that is morning, afternoon, evening and night. Okay, so when we do you know what is the morning hours time?
Ma'am, yes, ma'am, till the 12 o'clock.
Till the 12 o'clock, and at 12 o'clock afternoon begins, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So it will be till at what time afternoon will be till 4 o'clock, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Then
Yes.
4 o'clock what starts? Evening starts, right? And after that, from till 9 o'clock, it will be evening, and from 9 or 8 sometimes we say night time. Okay. So
Yes.
we greet also when we meet people in different parts of time, right? Different parts of daytime or night time. How you greet? Suppose you go to school in the morning, what do you say to your
Good
teacher?
morning.
Good
Good morning,
morning.
ma'am.
Or here, as per our tradition in our school, we say Sai
Saira.
Ram. Otherwise, outside when we meet somebody like any uncle or aunt, what we say? Good morning, uncle. Good morning, auntie. And you must wish your parents also when you wake up in the morning. Good morning, papa, or good morning, mummy. है ना? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Let's see how we greet people when we meet in different parts of time, right? First is when we wake up or when it is a morning time. From morning, you can say 4 o'clock to 12 o'clock in the afternoon, right? So then at that time, period of time, we wish good morning. And in afternoon, we wish good afternoon. And evening time, we wish good evening. And night, good night, right? So these are the general thing actually related to time. So I wanted to share with you. I know many of you must greet people as per time and you know these things, but those who doesn't, they have to start doing it, right? So let's see our chapter, children. Here we have different activities related time, right? So first you can see the picture, a girl, and what you can see at the back side of the window, sun you can see.
Yes, ma'am. It is daytime, ma'am. Sun is there.
It's a daytime and she is in the bed, so maybe she is getting up. So it's a get up for school. You also get up for school when we have school, right? So it's a daytime, it's a morning time. Or and morning time we wish good morning, right? So after that, what she's doing, number two, let's see. Now she's eating breakfast. Okay, so breakfast means first she will get up. What do you do after get up? When you get up, what do you do? Start eating breakfast or do something else?
Ma'am, we brush our teeth.
Yes, we brush our teeth, we go to washroom for freshen up, right? And we take bath. Then we wear new clothes, washed clothes, yes or no? And if it is a school time, so we wear our school uniform and next we have breakfast, right? Now, third is read a story in school. Suppose you read school, now she is reading a story. This same girl is doing these all activity. So see here, she is reading a story in the school, right? Next, what she is doing, let's see. Now she is eating lunch. So after 3 or 4 classes, you must have lunch in school, right? Lunch period is there or not?
Yes, ma'am, it is there, ma'am.
I know you are missing your school time, your lunch break in the school, yes, and you are
Yes, ma'am.
playing with your friends, so you must be missing all these things. Yes, so after some periods, we have lunch. So she is eating lunch here. Now, she must be having games period after few periods of studying, right? So she is playing here. Next, sixth, you can see what she is doing.
Ma'am, he is studying.
She is studying. So maybe she has reached home and after that she is eating because nobody, no else children we can see here. And okay, so when you reach home after 1:30 or 1:50, you also eat, have lunch at home, right? And in the evening time, you go to play, right? Then after playing, you what you do? You study also, you do your homeworks, yes? And
Yes,
at night after having our dinner, the meal which we have in night time that is called dinner, and which the meal which we eat in the morning that is breakfast. In the afternoon time what we have that is lunch, and in the night what we have that is called dinner, right? Now after dinner, maybe you listen some story or read some books, any story books, right? And then go to bed for sleep. Yes or no? So these are the daily routines related to the time. How our time passes every day, how we do our activities as per time. Like morning, what we do, afternoon, noon, what we do. We have lunch in afternoon, we have breakfast in the morning, right? Evening, what we have. Suppose you're eating something in the evening, then what do we call for it?
ma'am,
Do
we
you
don't know.
That is called snacks. Suppose you eat any light things, okay? Suppose oats or anything dalia or anything else, whatever you eat in the afternoon time. 1 minute.
Yes, ma'am.
That is sorry, evening time. That is snacks, and night time you eat your dinner. Then you do your activities like brushing your teeth. I hope you brush your teeth twice in a day. Yes or
Yes,
no?
ma'am. Yes,
Very
ma'am.
good. It's a very good habit. You have to maintain it. And those who are not doing it, they have to start doing, right? Okay, so let's see the next question. What we have? We have different activities. See, children, it's a very small lesson, and we have activities in the lesson, right? We don't have anything much. We don't have a clock in this lesson. We have clock in other unit, other lesson. So we will learn that time. Here we have activities related to time only. So see here, tick the activities that you do in the morning, right? So we have seen different parts of time: morning, afternoon, evening, and night. So here the question says you have to tick the activity what you do in the morning. जो आप सुबह करते हो, that activity you have to tick. The first is, can you see the picture and can tell me what this boy is doing?
Ma'am, taking a bath.
Taking a bath, right? So you take bath in the morning.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So can we tick it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, we can tick it. So what we'll do, we'll just tick like this. Now next, this girl, what she's doing, she's studying. Okay, she's sitting with some books. The picture is not clear. It's not clear in the book as well. in the textbook also, but it is better here. So it's reading, studying something. So do you study in
Yes.
the morning?
Yes, ma'am, little bit.
Yes, little bit. And if, especially when you go to school, definitely we study different subjects, right?
Yes,
So we'll
ma'am.
pick this also. Yes. Now this picture we have seen just before. So what she was doing in that picture, do you remember? She's
Ma'am,
eating,
what?
right? Lunch.
She's eating. Okay.
Yeah, she's eating lunch. It was here also. Here you can see this picture. Can you see? And it is written also eat lunch.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So here she's eating lunch. So do you eat lunch in the morning?
No, ma'am.
No. So we'll not take this. Now what she is doing, this girl?
She's brushing her teeth.
Yes,
For
she's
that.
brushing. She is brushing her teeth. So yes, do we brush our teeth in the morning?
Yes, ma'am. We brush
So,
our teeth, ma'am.
so shall we take this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah, it's a little bigger one, but it's okay. You have to take it properly, right? Okay, next question is take the activities that you do in the evening. So you tell me what you do in the evening time when you come back from school. Nowadays we don't have, but definitely usually when we have school, so we come in the afternoon, we have lunch, then we take take little rest also, right? Then evening time starts after 4 o'clock. Then what do you do?
Ma'am, we play, ma'am, with our friends.
With your friends, definitely. Okay. So can we take this?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you take bath in the evening?
No, ma'am.
No. So we'll not take. Yes. Now this boy is going somewhere for school. I think taking bag or something. है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
This,
Ma'am,
so
my
we'll
brother goes for tuition.
Yeah, but if it is for tuition, then definitely, like some of you go to tuition also. So those who go, what they will do, they'll take that. But those who does not go, so
Ma'am, I
it's not
don't go,
necessary.
ma'am.
Yes, very good. Because in primary classes, we no need to do if you feel or your parents feel strongly. Yes, you have to go. Otherwise, you can study at home only. That is enough. Okay. So if you, those who goes for tuition, they can tick it, right? Now, what
Yes.
is next picture? We are sleeping here.
Ma'am,
So, do we
ma'am,
sleep?
I don't sleep, ma'am.
Yeah, we don't sleep generally. We wake up in the evening and we play outside. That is very good activity. Outdoor games we should play, right? So we'll not take this also. Right. So next question. Let's see. Tick the activities that you do in the day. Now day means whole day. From morning to evening till sun sets. Right? In the morning what happens? Sun rises.
Yes, ma'am.
Suraj निकलता है in the morning and in the evening sun sets, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So that is a daytime. So what we do in the daytime, let's see here. So she is brushing her teeth. So yes, we do brushing in the morning, daytime only, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So we'll take it. Now what is this? This boy is, suppose he is in the garden or somewhere. We are
Ma'am,
going
what
out.
is he doing?
So it's a daytime only, right? It's a
Yes, ma'am.
daytime. So shall we go out also in daytime?
Ma'am, we go to school.
We go to school, right? But he is not going to school because he is not having any bag here. Can you see any bag?
No, ma'am.
But suppose he is going to school, that is also correct. But if it is not going to school or maybe it's a holiday, because Sunday also we
Pandey.
have daytime,
Yes, ma'am.
right?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
we can go outside also in the daytime, right? Anywhere.
Yes, ma'am.
In the
Yes,
park, garden, or any nearby place. So yes, we can go in the daytime. And now she's having a something, some meal. She's having food, right? She's eating
yes,
something.
ma'am.
Do we eat in the daytime?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Do we take bath in the daytime?
Yes, ma'am.
So these are all the activities we do in the daytime. These all activities involved we do in the daytime. Okay, so
Yes,
all are correct. Let's see the next one. Pick the activities that you do at night. So at night, what you do? What you do? I'm asking from you.
ma'am. Night time, ma'am, we sleep. We go eat our dinner and we sleep.
Yes, we have our dinner and we sleep. Okay, so this boy is going somewhere out, school or tuition. Do we go?
No, ma'am.
No. This girl is sleeping and you can see from the window what is there. You can see at the window, moon is there, stars are there, visible or
Yes,
not.
yes, ma'am.
So yes,
Night time.
night time. So yes, we do sleep. Now this girl is studying. So do we study at night?
No, ma'am.
No. And these children, what they are doing? One is sleeping, and one is having holding some prize. Maybe he is dreaming. So do we dream?
Yes, ma'am. In the night time, in our sleep.
Night time when we sleep, yes, we. So you must have also seen any dream like this. You have won some
Yes,
trophy, some
yes,
medals.
yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
many a times we see, right?
Yes, ma'am.
When we really want to get that prize, right? When we are really desperate, when we really want to get any prize, and if something is going on in our mind, हम सोचते हैं कि काश इस competition, मेरे drawing competition होने वाला है next month. We check our diary and we get to know, yeah, next month we have this competition, next to next month we have calligraphy, right? And suppose you write good, your handwriting is quite good, or your drawing is really good, then we think, keep on thinking कि काश मुझे प्राइज मिल जाए, फर्स्ट मिल जाए, सेकंड मिल जाए, है ना, काश मैं बहुत अच्छी बना पाऊँ. तो हम ऐसे
Yes,
सोचते रहते हैं दिन भर. तो कभी कभी हम सपने में सोचते हैं यस मैंने बहुत अच्छी ड्राइंग बनाई और मुझे फर्स्ट प्राइज मिला. इट हैपेंस, नो?
yes, ma'am.
It's very good thing. Okay, you should keep on thinking good things, so you definitely will achieve also. Okay, so let's see. Again, we have some activities. So morning time, what we do? This boy is doing. Can you see and tell me?
Ma'am, he is getting up.
Yeah, getting up and with a smiling face. So, do you also get up in the morning with a smiling face?
Yes, ma'am.
It is
Mommy,
very, very
I'm getting up.
important. Yes, because we should not. Some children I've seen they started crying in the morning, right? मुझे नहीं उठना या मुझे स्कूल नहीं जाना या मुझे और सोना है और they make sad face, है ना? तो ऐसा नहीं करना है. We
Ma'am,
should be.
sometimes on Sundays I do like that.
Yeah, you should. Okay, you do like you don't want to get up early, right? Like
Yes,
more, you want more half an hour or 1 hour. That is okay. But whenever you get up, whenever you wake up, so always have a smile on your face.
yes,
Yes,
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
don't make sad face or don't start crying in the morning, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so then afternoon time, you must be studying at home. Suppose this is your mother and blackboard is there at home. You can imagine now situation, today's situation, children.
Yes,
Okay, mother is teaching or asking, have you done your work? What ma'am has taught, right? So
yes,
you should
ma'am.
study at home at afternoon.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, evening time, yes, of course, we do not go outside nowadays, but you play inside, or if you have space just outside your house, you can play there only, right?
Yes,
Or
ma'am.
terrace if you have, so you can play at terrace, some outdoors, little small, any outdoor game you can play. Okay. Or you can do evening exercise also with your parents. Okay.
Yes,
Now,
ma'am.
night time, you should always sleep on time. You should go to bed on time. So then only you will be able to get up early in the morning, right?
Yes, ma'am.
That is very, very important. और अभी से आप ये हैबिट डालेंगे देन यू विल गेट अ लाइफ लॉन्ग हैबिट. आपकी हमेशा आदत बन जाएगी, अदरवाइज इट विल बी अ प्रॉब्लम. कई बार ऐसा होता है कि कुछ बच्चे पेरेंट्स भी सोचते हैं कि ठीक है अभी छुट्टियां चल रही हैं सोने दो और क्या करेगा उठ के बच्चा, है ना. लेकिन अगर हम मैक्सिमम आपको, आप छोटे हो, यू आर इन क्लास 1, तो आप 7 या 7:30 तक उठ जाया करो मैक्सिमम, है ना. अगर आप 6:30 उठ जाते हो तो और अच्छी बात है. बट येस ऑफ कोर्स यू हैव टू टेक 8 to 9 hours sleeps. Okay, that is very, very important. You can take even 10, 9 to 10 even, because you are kids. So that is very important for you and for your health, right? But
Yes.
make a time. 7 o'clock उठना तो 7 o'clock उठ जाइए आप every day. If you will do for 4 5 days, it will become your habit. Definitely your eyes will open in the at 7 o'clock. And night में भी आप maximum 9 o'clock सो जाया करिए. ऐसा नहीं कि मम्मी काम कर रही है, पापा काम कर रहे हैं तो आप भी बैठे रहो, है ना? Because they have their work, office work, any other work, homework, mother must be having, right? So you
Yes.
should go to bed on time, right? ऐसा नहीं कि आप क्लास 1 में आ गए, आप यूकेजी और एलकेजी में नहीं है कि आप सोचे कि मम्मी आगे सोएगी तभी सोएंगे हम. Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
So yes, promise me you will do it every day. You will follow this from now.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Okay. Now let's see what this question says. Pick the activity that you do in the morning. So this is this boy is swimming somewhere, or this is going to school. So what do we do in the morning?
Ma'am, go
When
to school.
yes, we go
Go
to
to
school.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
shall we take this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So yes, you are correct. We go to school. We don't have this much of time to go in swimming pool and have swimming, right?
Yes, ma'am.
We can go on Sundays, but not every day.
Ma'am, in the
Okay.
afternoon we can go.
Yeah, in the afternoon, in the evening time, also you can go in the summer, right?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
this was from today's class, children. Hope you understood the different parts of time, how we greet people when we meet in different times, right? And what do we do? What all activities are important and related to the time, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay.
Yes.
Do you have any question, any doubt?
No, ma'am. Ma'am, we did not do the clock.
No, not in this lesson. We have activities only. That's why I told you in the beginning. We have one more lesson that is, I think, 13 or 12. Okay, so in that we have clock making. Okay,
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
yes. So, children, take care. At the end, we'll do Shanti part. Please join your hands. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Sairam children, take good care of yourself. We'll meet in the next video.
Yes, ma'am. Saira, ma'am.
Yes, Sairam.